Welcome back. Today we are going to be cooking using one of my favorite ingredients, saffron. Saffron is an amazing spice that leaves you with fabulous dishes. Did you know that saffron is one of the world's most costly ingredients, normally sold by weight, specifically in grams? Saffron originates from a flower called saffron crocus. It is an amazing spice packed with lots of antioxidants and nutritional benefits. Alrighty, let's get going! Ingredients we'll be using are as follows: some baby tomatoes, some sliced onions, some diced chicken breasts. These I've pre-marinated with a little bit of saffron and garlic, and a whole load of vegetables like peppers, carrots, tomatoes, and mint, and also some green chilies. Once the oil is heated, we add in the onions, then we add in the tomatoes, and some cumin powder. In goes the carrots, toss in some salt, and give everything a good mix. Next, it's time to pop in the marinated chicken and mix it thoroughly so that all the flavors get absorbed into the chicken. Then comes the fun part. Time to put in the saffron. I normally use quite a generous amount of saffron because it is actually the main ingredient of the dish. It's like the main highlight, so just pop in a good generous amount of however much you want. Toss in the sliced chilies, the mint leaves go in next, and the cherry tomatoes. Give everything a very good stir and then leave it to simmer for about 10 minutes. This will allow the saffron to thoroughly infuse into the chicken. Look at that, yum! I normally like to add in a little bit of coriander leaves towards the end, just for that added flavor. Last but not least, we pop in the peppers. There you go, my loves. Look at the amazing colors. That was all done within 30 minutes or just slightly more. Time to dig in now. Goodbye. If today's video has been useful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Fabulous Red channel. See ya!